Alright guys, the last piece of the puzzle is here. Yes, DME Racing coming through in the clutch, delivering our swing arm just in time for Black Friday. Yeah, that's right boys, the giveaway bike project, it's gonna be complete. We're about to take this swing arm, unbox it, take it to our local powder coater right up the street, get this thing powder coated. Let's get it unboxed and get this video underway. Alright guys, we got it unboxed. Take a look at the attention to detail and the welds on this swing arm. Super high quality. You see the ultralight end blocks, all these little details and stuff cut out in that thing. Even in the back side of it, it's got stuff cut to reduce weight. This swing arm is made out of all aluminum, which is what your factory swing arm is made out of. And boy, does it look nice. We're gonna get these accessories taken off. What I mean by that is the chain guard, the axle, the bolts, all that good stuff. We're going to take that stuff out, then we're going to run it down to the powder coat shop and turn this thing black. And just like that, we're back. The swing arm is now all satin black and it is ready to be installed. Dazzling Drew, he's so happy today because today is the last time he will be working on the 2022 giveaway project. We got the old trusty freezer here. What do we do with the bearings? Bearings? Bearings are supposed to be in the freezer somewhere. That's one of our tricks. We put the bearings in the freezer, not in the refrigerator. You took them out yesterday? Let's go see what we did with the bearings. We were supposed to put the bearings in the freezer yesterday. Oh man, I laid them out to put them in the cooler. Forgot to put them in there. So anyways, little trick. I meant to do this last night. If you guys have a new swing arm, put the bearing, you don't have to put the bolts and all the stuff I put in there, but put your bearings in the freezer before you install them. That will make the bearings drop into the new swing arm. They contract just a tad and makes them easier to install into the races there. So we're gonna do that. And this thing should be done, what, 5-10 minutes? Oh yeah. That's all it takes, Dazzling Drew. He's so fast. Anyways, we're about to get this thing put on, get a new chain on. We're gonna set it back in about right there. She should be ready to go here shortly. Old swing arm is off, new swing arm is going on. You see we got everything all good to go on those bearings. We are about to press in the bearings for the lowering links now. They will go right here. And this thing is coming around, boys. I can't wait to see what it looks like all down on the ground, lowered, stretched, the whole 9 yards. Gonna look super, super good. You see we went with a chrome chain on this thing. Basically it's nickel chain is what it actually is. Not chrome, not shiny, but it's gonna be a polished silver look. It'll look really nice once it's on there. thing turned out good. You see, we just got the chain on this thing. We ended up going with a different chain. We went with a black and silver. I thought it would just go together a little better with the theme of the bike. You can't have a murdered out bike with a chrome chain. So anyways, these black and silver links are gonna look way better on there. The length on this thing is just about perfect. This bike is gonna look super, super good. All we've got left to do is put the brake line on, bleed the brakes, and then get it down off the lift. She's almost ready, boys. All right, boys, this bike is outside, completely finished, ready to go. I love it when a plan comes together. Boo, boo, boo. Yes! It came down to the very last minute, but the bike is ready to go the day before Thanksgiving, the day after Thanksgiving. You got your very own chance to win it. Go to moremafia.com. You'll be able to sign up at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but not until then, okay, guys? 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Set yourself a reminder on your phone. Go to the website. Check out the giveaway. Somebody is going to win. Remember, the last guy that got the GSX-R 1000 for us got 2 spots. Only took 1 to win. All right, guys, let's take a look at without the bike. Without further ado, boom! There it is. She is all finished up, looking oh so fresh, so clean. This thing turned out great. Stretched about, I'm gonna say about 5 inches over stock is where we've got it sitting at. I think that is about the perfect wheelbase. Got the tire sticking out behind the back just a little bit, not too much. The bike is in the shadows right now. We may spin it around, let you see what this thing looks like. The Vortex sprockets, the BST wheels, the Dunlop Drag Max tire, all this stuff. Sprint air filter. This thing is fully maxed out, ready to go. You see, look at the titanium exhaust. It's starting to turn blue under there. This thing, and let me show you how many miles it's got on it. Ooh-wee. Just rolled over 1 mile, brand new. Thing sounds super, super good. Not crazy loud, not crazy quiet. I've already got it warmed up. The engine is warm. Traction control, wheelie control on this thing. You name it, this new Busa has got all the options. Take it down the road. I really want to launch it. I really want to do a burnout. I want to do all that fun stuff, but I can't. I'm going to save it for you. I'm going to keep this bike brand spanking new. That way when the owner comes to get it, they are the first one to ever poot on the seat. It's going to be yours, guys. Thanks for watching today's video. If you like the content, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Click the bell for notifications. Only like 50-something% of our viewers are subscribed. Go ahead and subscribe. It's free to do so. If you don't have a YouTube name, create one. It's free to do that too. Makes the viewing experience much better because we send you notifications as soon as we post a video. You'll never miss one. It's winter time, boys. Cold weather's coming up. You ain't gonna have nothing to do. Gotta watch more Mafia videos. Also, smash that like button. How many times I gotta tell you? All right, guys, see you next time. Good luck on the giveaway. Peace out.